worked perfectly, and now I can see it working. How can I ever thank you?
With a cat swap wrench, can you give us something to play with?
I've got what you need, Buffy Cats. A beautiful tire.
A tire?
So what's wrong? It's brand new.
That's not the problem, Wrench. We started playing Cat Swap because we already had a tire.
And we wanted to trade it for a game.
With a little imagination, anything can be used for a game. Even a tire.
Wrench is right, Buffy Cats. We just need the right Buffy brainstorm.
Don't worry. It just happens when it does the super spin cycle.
Maybe you should turn it off, Wrench!
The problem is, I forgot to fix the off switch. My washing machine. Stop that door!
Leave it to me.
Great, m'lady!
A super possum move!
Look how the tire is spinning! It looks like a spinning top!
Spinning top, I've got a Buffy brainstorm! Wrench, what do you say we... Will that work?
Sure it will, m'lady. I'll get right on it.
Subscribe to the channel!